आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और बधाई। माय डियर डिवोटीज, टुडे इज द गीता जयंती, मोक्षदा एकादशी. This is the month according to the Hindu calendar Margashirsha, and the full moon nights that called Shukla Paksha, and the 11th day according to the Hindu calendar that called Shukla Paksha Ekadashi, Margashirsha month Shukla Paksha Ekadashi. On the same day, it is written in our Hindu scriptures, on the same day Lord Krishna declared the Gita Pravachanam to the Arjuna. Whatever he had to do in that Arjuna fallen in the affection for the family members again and again and again, but Lord Krishna directed him and commanded him to do that dharma yuddham, that war between two cousin families, as the sons of Kaurava and the sons of Pandavas, as they called Kaurav and Pandavas. On the same day, Arjuna was fallen so much in the family affection, and he said in the 30th sloka of the first chapter, Gandivam sansrite hasta त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोमि व्यवस्थातुं भ्रमति वच मे मन. O Lord Krishna, I am getting confused, making me a stand between all of my relatives, and now you are asking me to fight and to kill them all. I can't do that. Then Lord Krishna again said in the second chapter, sloka 47, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भुर्माते संगोस्त्व कर्मणि. Here Arjuna, Lord Krishna said, you don't fall in these all things, and you don't think that any affectionate and relative is in front of you. Now you have to feel them all that they all are your enemies, and right now you have to start, you have to take on your fight, and you have to kill them all. But still Arjuna never came out of that family matter, and at least Lord Krishna asked him in the 18th chapter, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami ma sucha. That here Arjuna, you never think about anything, any relatives, any relations. You have to do as I am asking to you, and then I will take you from out of every kind of these props. And at last Arjuna also accepted it, and he asked that Karishye vachanam tava, and he fought bravely and got the religious victory and situated the religion again in role of the relationship, in role of the honesty, in role of a supreme commander and the social king. So in this way, once again I would like to say from this holy temple, Sri Lakshmi Narayan Birla Temple, Nai Delhi, from every excellencies from here, our administration and every person and every devotee from this holy temple, I would like to bless you once again. Hari Om Bhadram Karnebhi Srinuyama Deva Bhadram Pasyeemaksha Virja Jakraha Sthirairangai Stuštuvagvam Sastano Dirvyase Mahi Devahitam Jadayu. Happy Sri Gita Jayanti to you all. Namaste.